Let's learn about our body, it's so much fun. We'll point to all our parts one by one. With our eyes we can see the world so bright. Yes, with our eyes we see both day and night. With our ears we can hear the birds all sing. Yes, with our ears we hear what joy they bring. With our nose we can smell a flower sweet. Yes, with our nose we smell a tasty treat. With our mouth we can taste the food we chew. Yes, with our mouth we taste something new. With our hands we can touch, so soft and grand. Yes, with our hands we touch across the